going to play a cards game. Today's Sunday. Now let's play this card game. New York Subway. I'm going to pick
We've already been thrown out.
They've given us an hour until they carry out the remaining action on their list.
Holy moly, Jesus moly. What's that, my dad? Or is it just... Oh my god, that was just like a car.
I love this ball. As you can see, right, we train with them in our own gym. Now, you can get this same ball with a chip that connects to your phone. We'll track all your shooting. You spin the ball, connect.
My sister has down the PS5. PS5, PS4. Look how funny is this? It's like completely flat. The in the middle of the car. Bro, this is actually super bad, actually. Look, just broken to pieces. Go back. The windows are cracked. The doors are gone. Driving zone. The engine is gone. Bro, it's literally right there. Wow. Look at this. The door is glitching. Has my name on it. Oh, yeah. I killed that person. Oh, that's Melon Sandbox. Wait, what? The car is completely damaged. X-ray. The two back wheels are still there. Oh.
I love this ball. As you can see, right, we train with them in our own gym. Now, you can get this same ball with a chip that connects to your phone. We'll track all your shooting.
The guy crashed my car. Oh my god, the windows are still there. Cool. But they're cracked. They're cracked. This car is absolutely so bad. Okay, so the thing is still there. So the engine is still there. Bro, I need the game, bro. I need Robux so my friends can see. Holy moly, oh my god, how did you even get them Robux? Did you just ask your mom or what? I can only play Roblox once at 7. I know once I'm 13. Sleep. I press sleep. 64 degrees! Holy moly, Jesus. Let's go see how it looks like outside, yeah. Holy moly. That just cracked the car window. The two wheels are gone in the front. And two of the wheels are still here in the back. But one of them is gray. One of them is gray. This whole entire car is broken. I think it's because the wheel is broken and you can't drive. Hey yo, who put speed on there? I didn't know you can do that. Wait, that looks like Christmas Eve on that ad. Oh, looks like you're in a city full of flowers. Let's see if I crash. Look at this car. Whoa! The car is completely broken. I got a Toyota Supra and it's like completely broken. Toyota Supra. Here's my good car. Look how bad is this? Both of my things are fell off. Okay, I guess I can tell my mama to download this. Mama, how do you download it? Ooh, yeah, look at that. Thank you. Let's go. He said Let me see if it's now downloaded. Ooh. But I'm like it.
Listen up, because this is the massive opportunity you have been waiting for to grab a real bargain. We are talking about military-grade external hard drives with a massive 16 terabyte capacity.
This one is absolutely realistic. Now let's play this one. Ooh, yeah, the classic old makes you do this one. Ooh. I'm going to use this Let's make this. Four-year-old. I have that game. I don't even know I have it. Since I literally played it with y'all. Now we're playing the 4-year-old game. Even though I'm not even a 4-year-old anymore. This game again.
Homework.
Like this? Like this?
Yeah.
No. What about this game? Ooh, yeah, the classics guide. Play. One way, two way. This one. What's this? Close this app and play again. Play it again. No. Grand map. I'll change my card to my greatest one. Drive Car Crash Simulator. Mama, can you download this game called Rush Drive Car Crash Simulator?
¿Qué hago tu papá? I don't know. Didn't he say 9:30?